Hello everyone, thanks for joining us today. My name is Rojan Ogalinola, one of the solutions engineer of Exclusive Network Philippines. One of our solutions for cybersecurity for the endpoint protection is Crowdstrike. Crowdstrike is a company that pioneered cloud-delivered endpoint security. It is the combination of EPP and EDR solution. Today, I'd like to spend some time talking about the realities of cybersecurity threat landscape and how CrowdStrike will help your organization, especially in today's health crisis, where most of the organizations are transforming to work from home setup in order to stay safe, and also it highlights the needs to adapt to cloud technology. So we hear news about the breaches from the US, the Europe, Asia, especially in India. So we can say that no industries are exempted from the attack. Today's reality is that breaches are basically everywhere. In fact, in the IDC research says that about 1 in 3 organizations have been hit by a cybersecurity breach in the last 12 months. Breaches affects all type of organizations, either large or medium or even small organization. In Verizon reports, almost 60% of the breaches victims are from the small businesses. You can look deeper in these reports in the IDC research in 2019 Thales Data Threat Report and 2018 Data Breach Investigation Report. That is why CrowdStrike's main goal is to stop the breaches. Compared to the other solutions, they don't have the depth to make this claim. Most of them are point solution. They might solve a piece of a problem, but they cannot solve the whole thing. CrowdStrike is not a newcomer. In fact, in 8 years, we do not have a reportable breach. So, how do CrowdStrike stop the breaches? Fortunately for us, performing a breach is not a single step. Attackers are following a procedures in order to successfully breach a network. So MITRE coined as stages of attack. This is sometimes called as framework of attacks. This is the critical phase of the attack. From the initial access to the lateral movement, this is called the breakout time. Then breaches starts. After this point, uh, the job gets significantly more complicated and it is becoming more expensive for the organization. So CrowdStrike created a 1-10-60 rule. With this rule, organizations have the power to detect threats in the first minute, to investigate and understand the threats in 10 minutes, and to contain and finally remediate in 60 minutes. Indeed, attacks continue to get more sophisticated. They now use fileless technique to easily bypass the traditional antiviruses. They steal credentials to look like they are the legitimate user. They abuse trusted tools like PowerShell. So if you have a malware-centric solutions, you will be blinded to half of the threat landscape. To cope with this, organizations have becoming more accustomed to adding more and more layers of countermeasures, making the solutions more complex and it slow down their systems. And of course, all of this technology is only part of the problem. Each new layer introduces infrastructure that must be managed, alert that must be checked, incident that must be investigated, making the solution actually works. Requires people with skills and experience. Those skills are expensive and hard to find. Clearly, a new approach is needed. CrowdStrike was the first in our industry to recognize the potential of AI or machine learning and cloud technology. These two technology is the foundation of CrowdStrike platform. With CrowdStrike, customer can benefit from better protection, better performance, and immediate time to value delivered because they are a cloud-native Falcon platform. CrowdStrike has pioneered a new approach to endpoint protection with our CrowdStrike Falcon platform. Falcon delivers this simplified comprehensive technology Falcon platform of endpoint security. Managing your cybersecurity for endpoint protection is now easy as if you're just logging into your email and you're just turning off or on and off your Bluetooth or your Wi-Fi. CrowdStrike can do this because they are a cloud native. This eliminate the cost and complexity, and it's easy to deploy and to manage. Um, Threat Graph is the proprietary of CrowdStrike. This is the brain of Falcon platform. Threat Graph it ingests a metadata and analyzes the events and attacks, leveraging a cloud-scale AI and behavioral analytics to identify the sophisticated threats. With each new threat we encounter every day, CrowdStrike can immediately share it across our entire customer base in real time. We take advantage with our massive set of crowdsourced data to continuously train our AI models, ensuring the maximum effectiveness of the product. Every piece of data ingested makes the threat graph smarter and more effective at detecting and preventing threats, therefore speeding up the investigation and the threat hunting. Um, CrowdStrike deliver it through a single lightweight agent that can stop all kind of attacks and do it without slowing down your system. CrowdStrike Threat Intelligence is one of our modules for Falcon platform. With this help, you can understand your adversaries to stop them. It is derived not only from a CrowdStrike world-class researchers, but also from the first-hand experience of CrowdStrike threat hunters and professional services team. CrowdStrike automated and integrated intelligence based on the global threat landscape, as well as the specific threat hunting targeting the organization, making it easy to drive action and speed the investigation and response. While some other solutions help to prevent, detect, and respond, CrowdStrike is taking it to the next level by predictive capabilities. Through this integration of threat intelligence, some can do indicator of compromise, which is a reactive way of resolving a breach. But for CrowdStrike, on the other hand, we use IOA or indicator of attacks. That is a proactive way or a proactive approach to solve your endpoint security threats. This allows you to anticipate the future attacks, deploy proactive protections, getting you ahead of your adversaries or your attackers. However, all of this hasn't solved the final problem. Some organization has a solution, but they cannot use the full potential because they lack a skilled people. CrowdStrike embed a live human expert. Our Overwatch, one of the module of CrowdStrike, is a threat hunting expert leveraging the massive cloud data and the CrowdStrike threat graph to proactively hunt the most sophisticated threats in organizations' environment 24/7. Um, Overwatch works as an extension of an organization's team to find the stealthy threats and the targeted attacks designed by the attackers to bypass the automation and the algorithms. They do it without adding an overhead or complexity or costly service arrangement. In addition, our expert can provide a turnkey experience either via our Falcon Complete team or through our value managed service partners. Delivering endpoint protection as managed service means you have the help you need for your deployment, management, and monitoring, as well as true remote remediation. Finally, CrowdStrike Professional Services delivers the tactical services such as the incident response, as well as strategic advisory services to help you mature your security operations and ensure your team is ready to protect you from the threats of future attacks. The agents of CrowdStrike enable us to protect all workloads with a single platform, including Windows, Linux, and Macs, cloud workloads and containers, as well as the mobile devices such as Android and iOS. Um, Falcon platform is divided into three key areas. First comes the endpoint security. It combines the endpoint protections, leveraging a cloud scale AI and deep link analytics to deliver EDR, next gen antivirus, device control, and host firewall management. Next is the security and IT operations capabilities, including IT hygiene, vulnerability assessment, manage endpoint protection, and manage threat hunting. Finally, it is enriched by world-class threat intelligence, including malware search, sandbox analysis, that is fully integrated and automated, delivering deep context and predictive capabilities, um, providing a turnkey experience via our Falcon Complete. The CrowdStrike Store, this provides a cybersecurity ecosystem that is unique in our market. Here is where our trusted partners can develop and deliver a value-added integrations with ease, taking advantage of Falcon fast data and our lightweight agent and our robust APIs. This creates a community where customers like you or every able are able to multiply their investment in Falcon to solve a new security challenges. So here are the example of the wide variety of solutions developed by our CrowdStrike partner for CrowdStrike Store, from application whitelisting to patch management to detection of insider threats. CrowdStrike customers are taking advantage of this ecosystem to achieve the level of protections they need with a fewer performance killing agents and at least cost of deployment, integrate and monitor and maintenance. These kind of endorsements are good indicators. Not only has CrowdStrike been acknowledged as a leader by every major analysis, including Gartner, Forrester, and IDC, we also have been regularly tested and proven to be provide best-in-class protections by the independent testing organization, including MITRE, AB Comparatives, and SE Labs. In October 2019, Forrester Research was commissioned to conduct an ROI study of the CrowdStrike Falcon platform. They interview a real CrowdStrike customers and found that when you look at the combination of the reduced risk and consolidation of cybersecurity solution and operational efficiency, Falcon delivered more than 300% of return on investment over a 3-year period with a payback period of less than 3 months. These are the tangible benefits that our customers see every day. CrowdStrike is also extremely proud to be one of the very few solution providers to be recognized by the Gartner as a leader in the world of endpoint protection platforms, as well as the customer's choice winner for both EPP and EDR for multiple years running now. Um, but you don't have to take my words for it. You can watch these people video testimonial and at crowdstrike.com. So why CrowdStrike? This is just to summarize what we have just discussed. CrowdStrike is a cloud-native Falcon platform powered by a technology, intelligence, and the expertise make it possible for clients to improve their protection and truly stop the breaches. CrowdStrike single agent is a single agent. CrowdStrike is a single platform, simplifies your security architectures and reduce cost. And doing it all for a cloud with our simple lightweight agent allow you to realize all this value on day one. It could not be simpler to see for yourself how this works. So we offer a free trial of CrowdStrike Falcon. It takes just a few minutes to sign up and you can easily see for yourself how you can get a better protection, better performance, and immediate time to value out of your endpoint security solutions. So thank you for listening to me and have a good day.